Hello, good afternoon. This is Dr. Homer Lim for our weekly podcast together with
Nilda, of course, good afternoon. And we have a very special guest, si Dr. Joy. Hello, Dr. Joy.
Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Hello, Doc Homer and Doc Namdil.
and to our weekly audience.
Yes.
Weekly lang, weekly.
Yeah, oo. And we had really a chance, di ba? We're so lucky to have a guest speaker na isang doctor din po, practicing general
Integrative medicine.
integrative medicine din po.
Nag-acupuncture din si
Nag-acupuncture
Doktora.
din po. Oo.
Oo, tama.
Kamutik na nga ako kung lagyan dito. Para may sungay.
Maya-maya.
Maya daw, maya. Okay, so
Yeah.
so for this particular
Topic,
topic
oo.
for today
Mhm.
is
Stem cell.
stem cells. Bakit
Yes.
naman naisip mo mag-stem cells,
Kasi
Nilda?
alam mo, doktor, parang kasi nga dahil nga ang daming mga cases ng mga cancer, younger age, and then younger age din yung mga nami-meet ko na gusto magkaroon ng cancer or i-prevent ang cancer through stem cell. Yun.
Okay.
Kaya sila, sabi ganun parate, okay ba magpa-stem cell?
Okay.
Okay,
Actually,
doktor.
Doc, marami din yung patients ko asking
Mm-mm.
how effective stem cells kasi ang dami nag-offer.
Ayan! Okay, naku, gandang
Doctor.
topic, stem
Oo.
cells, ano? Okay,
Yeah.
so unahin natin yung tanong ni Nilda na maganda ba talaga magpa
Stem
stem
cell.
cells,
Mhm,
no?
yeah.
So, in ordinary, kumbaga, kung wala kang sakit,
Mm-mm.
Okay.
okay yung stem cells. Kung may sakit ka, it's also a way to help with the disease. Ngayon, sa mga may cancer, pwede ba sila mag-stem cells? Kasi
Mm-mm.
lagi
Yes.
itong nagiging issue eh.
Mm-mm.
Dok,
Dami
meron akong
nagtatanong.
cancer. Pwede ba ako mag-stem cell?
Mm-mm.
Ang sagot dyan, kung hindi ka nagpapakagamot for cancer,
Mm-mm.
especially nagkikimo, hindi ka nagre-radio, hindi ka dapat nag-i-stem cells.
Mm.
In
Hindi
fact,
dapat.
hindi dapat.
Okay.
In fact, kung ikaw ay magpapa-stem cell, punta ka, di ba, maraming mga sikat,
Na hospitals,
Oo,
they have that.
Even at
mga,
hospitals. Even
o
at
mga
hospitals.
centers, di ba?
Okay,
May mga, di ba, may mga maraming mga sikat, lalo na si pinakasikat diyan si Juan Ponce Enrile, di ba? Dati nag-stem cell daw siya, di ba? So, bago ka mag-inject ng stem cells, kailangan nila i-screen yung pasyente
Mm-mm.
na wala talaga siyang cancer.
Mm.
Kasi pag nagbigay ka ng stem cells na may mga stems, kahit maliit lang yung stem cell, ay yung cancer mo,
Mm-mm.
pwede siyang bigla sumabog at lumaki.
So,
So,
pwede pa siyang maka-trigger ng growth.
lumaki
ng-
yung cancer. So, one of the most important, kumbaga, factors if you want to do stem cells is wala kang cancer. Ngayon,
Mhm.
if you have cancer, however, you are doing chemotherapy, radiotherapy, tapos nangihina ka, mahina ang immune system mo, doon pwede ka mag-stem cells.
Mm.
Pero in general, if you have cancer, you have had cancer,
Mhm.
kailangan to be, kailangan kang i-monitor.
Yeah.
So the answer, pwede ka ba mag-stem cells is it depends on your situation. So, kung may cancer ka, hindi ka nagpapagamot, huwag ka mag-i-inject kasi pwedeng lumaki yung cancer. So, a very important thing for everyone to consider, no?
Mhm.
So, I think that's one of the things. Kaya kasi, in fact, even cancer has their own stem cells.
Mhm.
Kaya nga bakit ka magkaka-cancer tapos dumadami yung cancer kasi cancer mismo may stem cells din.
Mm-mm.
In fact, pag ikaw nagkikimo, nagre-radio, nabubuhay nga yung cancer stem cells. They
Naku.
become more resistant to further treatments.
Para may line of defense sila
Oo.
kasi
Nagbigay ka ng lason. So, yung cancer cells namamatay. Pero yung mother, yung nanay, yung cancer stem cell, lalo silang lumalakas kasi nagiging resistant sila dun sa treatment. So, kaya nga yung ibang pasyente, doing chemo, instead na gumaling, lalong lumalaki yung bukol. Or after 3 sessions of chemo or radiotherapy, instead na lumiit, dumalaki pa lalo. That's because of the cancer stem cells, not because of the cancer cells. So, different kasi yung cancer stem cells between stem cells is yung cancer stem cells compared to cancer cells ay talagang para siyang kumbaga juice. They can multiply to many times.
Mm-mm.
Cancer cells hindi na 1 to 2 times tapos na.
Mhm.
Pero cancer stem cells can multiply indefinitely.
Mm-mm.
So that's why cancer patients have to not just address cancer cells or tumor, they also have to also address the cancer stem cells.
Mm-mm.
So, iniisip ng tao, teka nga muna, kung may cancer stem cells, nasaan naka-locate ba yung cancer stem cells? So, na-found out ng mga researchers, cancer researchers, the cancer stem cells are not actually in the tumor.
Mm-mm.
Let's say meron kang breast tumor,
Okay.
wala sa breast. May colon ka, wala sa colon, nasa bone marrow.
Oh,
Oo.
kaya.
It's even outside the origin of the tumor.
Uh-huh,
So, important for people to understand is yung cancer stem cells, just like your normal stem cells, they also are in the bone marrow. Kasi yung cancer, yung natin, bone marrow natin, no, merong mga stem cells yan. Pero minsan, yung may cancer patients, they have cancer stem cells in the bone marrow also.
Kaya pala. Delikado din pala, Doc.
Kaya nga, very
Kasi
important to...
Unang-una, doktor, yung cancer stem cell na yan,
Oo.
yung procedure na yan is very expensive.
Yes.
Okay, that's number one. And then before you get that,
Oo.
may screening,
Oo,
which
tama.
you will also spend a lot.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And then, kapag nag-fail ka,
Oo.
tapos may mga konting tumor ka, di ba?
Oo.
When in doubt, ayaw mo na rin, di ba?
Tama. When in doubt, don't.
Wag na. Kasi,
Oo.
di ba nung naalala mo yung isang kwan natin, pinatingnan mo pa,
Oo.
sinend,
Oo.
tapos nag-go signal ka,
Opo,
yun.
opo.
Pero when in doubt, wag na lang.
Wag na lang. In
Oo.
fact, yun nga yung number one contraindication talaga ng ng bibigay ng stem cells.
Mhm.
It's really yung presence or even yung iba nga nagpapatest pa ng circulating, tawag nila circulating tumor cells, yung sa dugo. Kung merong cancer cells sa dugo, kung nag-positive yun, bawal ka talaga
So,
mag-inject.
that's the best test, Doc, yung cancer
Yeah,
circulation.
kung nag-positive yung tinatawag nating circulating tumor cells sa dugo, kinukuha kasi yung dugo Hindi tumor marker, hindi mga CA153, CEA, dugo talaga, check for how many cancer stem cells in your blood. Pag nag-positive, kahit isa lang, hindi ka na pwede talaga mag-stem cells.
Delikado pala yan.
Oo.
Dok, kapag ganun,
Oo.
syempre, unang-una, hindi naman
Oo.
a-afford yan ng kwan, ng
Hindi talaga.
majority.
Oo.
Meron ba tayong isang pwedeng gamitin na sabihin natin na cancer stem cell inhibitor?
Or
Or
cancer
yung-
stem cell killer.
Killer na
Oo.
pwedeng oral, doktor?
Pwede.
Meron pa ba?
So for cancer patients, no, for cancer patients na may kumbaga active yung cancer nila, or even kung sabi natin in remission. One way to keep the cancer at bay is try to control or kill the cancer stem cells, or at least keep it sleeping. So there are ways. So we have yung ating repurposed drugs which we talk about, metformin.
Okay.
It can kill cancer stem cells. Your ivermectin, it can kill cancer stem cells. Other supplements or herbs that can kill cancer stem cells. We have yung turmeric. Meron tayong quercetin, green tea, grapeseed extract.
Ay, Dok, meron tayo niyan!
Oo nga, meron nga.
tayo niyan!
Oo.
Call me.
Relax.
Okay.
Na-hyper na. Na-hyper na naman. Kinakabahan tuloy si Doktora sa'yo.
Alam ko nangyari.
Oo, teka.
Meron pala ho kami nun.
Oo, tama.
Kaya,
Oo.
wag na ho kayo magpa-stem cell.
Huwag na kayo magpa-stem cell.
Pero hindi ko sabihin, for those people who wanted talagang protection against cancer, lalo na yung the younger ones, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi ang dami-dami talaga cases ngayon, 23, 30, di ba?
Opo,
30 years old.
Opo.
You can avail from us. Ano na yan?
Cancer stem
Turmeric.
cell. Turmeric, green tea
Green
extract,
tea.
quercetin.
Yun, in one
Grape-
pill.
Yeah,
Yung
in one.
grape.
It's a
grapeseed.
supplement.
Parang grapeseed din,
Yeah.
pwede rin pampapayat yun.
Pwede ba yan?
Oo.
Paano?
Iinumin ko yun lahat para makapumayat ako doon.
Mapapahiya ang grapeseed sa'yo.
Talaga. Baka kasi kesa kumain ako ng grapes. Ayan na naman tayo sa moderation. Wag na
Seed
nga.
nga daw eh.
Oo.
Munguyain mo yung seeds. Sino kakain ng grapes?
Oo.
Anyway,
Ayun.
so
Yeah.
so we were just talking about yun nga, yung cancer cells and cancer stem cells. I think very important for people din na to understand. If you are really, kumbaga, tawag dito, nag-treat ka for cancer, no?
Mhm.
So you can use some patients do take or which is stem cells mismo. Or meron pa kayong tinatawag na exosomes. Meron pa nga yung tinatawag na tawag na um, extracts of the stem cells ini-inject just to boost the immune system. So these are some of the things, but of course it's not for the common kasi
Yes, for the majority.
sobrang
po.
mahal. In fact,
Sobrang mahal.
another way of killing cancer cells through using of live cells is NK cells. NK. Everyone has NK cells. However, in patients with cancer, mababa siya. Minsan nga nagsisiro pa eh. So that's
Meron
why
tayo nun, Doc, ng NK cells.
how do we increase NK cells?
Oo.
Mushrooms.
Wow!
You can have mushrooms.
Magtatalim na ho tayo
You
ng
have
mushroom.
but you have also drugs that
Ay,
can
yung mushroom.
like not just like mushrooms, mushroom extracts. You also have meron tayo cimetidine.
Ay, oo.
Di ba paano yan sa may
It-
hyperacidity?
Oo.
Oo, so
Dati,
it was found it can increase your lymphocytes, increase your NK cells. So these are some of the things that can help with patients with cancer, how to increase your NK cells. You also have mga homeopathic remedies like mistletoe. So they can also increase your NK cells, your immune cells. Kasi nga, cancer patients usually are very,
So,
very
sa
low.
oral, Doktor, meron na tayo yung yung
Oo.
sinasabi natin, cancer stem cell inhibitor, which is
Oo.
the turmeric,
Mm.
berberine,
Mm.
grapeseed, saka
Green tea.
Green
Green
tea.
tea.
Then we have also yung sinabi mo na mushroom capsule.
Extracts.
Extract.
Or
yun.
mushroom, even fresh mushrooms. Oo.
Any
Kaya
kind of mushroom,
Oo.
Doc.
Ha?
Kasi di ba maraming klase ng mushrooms?
All.
Yeah.
All.
pwede.
The more variety, actually is the better.
Pero pag ginisa mo sa toyo, bawal na yun.
I mean, you can cook it. Wala namang problema, no? I think very important is how you cook it, di ba? Wag lang sobrang lutong-luto.
Yeah.
O sobrang tagal mo lulutuin kasi naturally active ingredient niya na nasisira din, no? So, but there is a certain mushroom that you should not eat raw or half cooked. It's called the portobello mushroom. Why? Because the portobello mushroom contains a substance that is actually poisonous. Carcinogenic pa nga eh. So it's very important if wala naman masyado kasi portobello sa Pilipinas eh, di ba?
nga.
More of sa Europe. But portobello mushroom should be cooked very, very well. Because it has a substance that can actually cause cancer. No? So, yun lang yung tip, no?
Tengang daga.
Tengang daga, oo. So, you have tengang daga, you have enoki mushroom,
Enoki, yeah.
you have your white mushroom, you have yung lahat ng klaseng mushroom. You have the crimini, yung mga even button mushrooms had tumataas na immune system natin. So really mushrooms are
Kahit yung nakakagod.
Nakakand.
iwasan natin yung nakakal,
Okay,
di ba?
bawal,
Oo,
bawal yun.
kaya mas maganda kung fresh or dried. But of
Yeah.
course, kung dried, kailangan mo lang lutuin ng mas matagal,
Yes.
di ba?
Okay.
But all of these mushrooms are excellent ways how to boost your immune system. Oo. So it's just I guess how I love mushrooms.
Ako din, love
Oo.
ko.
Love mo? Gano'n ka love mo yan?
Love. Ganon, Doktor.
Kasi ako usapan love eh.
Kaya kanina kinausap namin tinatanong ko si Nilda, ano ba ang topic natin ngayon? Doc, pwede ba love?
Love na lang kaya, di ba?
Love na. Wala kasing boyfriend. O mag-apply na raw kayo, ligawan na rin yung si Nilda at wala na siyang
Bawal.
Bakit naman bawal?
Kasi kung ako
Ano?
dalagang Pilipino.
Okay yun?
Oo.
At nililigawan nga di mga
Maria Clara.
Maria Clara. Hindi dapat nakabelo ka. May puti ka.
Yes, oo. Kaya ngayon, Doktor, uso din yan.
Ano?
Sa mga may brain fog.
May brain fog.
Oo.
Tama. Oo.
After natin yan pumunta doon sa mga stem cell, syempre at least what we have learned from stem cell, it is not for everyone.
Tama.
Tapos you have to undergo a lot of tests. So, it is very expensive also. At the same time, pagka meron ka lang tumor, tapos hindi mo pa alam kung benign siya or
Malignant.
malignant, don't go for it. Di ba?
Tama.
And then we have some orals that you can take in replacement or just like what they are doing with the stem cell, di ba? Protection against cancer. We have also that.
Tama.
And then, punta naman tayo, Doc, sa mga brain fog. Kasi
Brain
uso
fog.
din yan sa mga
Oo.
30s, 40s, di ba?
Oo, oo.
Ano ba yung cause ng brain fog, Doc?
Actually,
Kasi nagiging ko na siya eh, parang word
maraming,
of mouth eh,
actually
di ba?
marami talaga ngayong may brain fog. Sadly, no? We
Mm.
see a lot of people having brain fog,
Mm-mm.
especially even in their younger years,
Mm-mm.
no, which should not happen, no?
Mm-mm.
Pero when do I see a lot of patients before with brain fog are those who have undergone or undergoing chemotherapy.
Ah.
Talaga nagbe-brain fog sila, makalimutin.
Oo nga.
Nagbe-brain fog
Yeah.
tapos parang hindi nagre-register. So, but a lot of normal non-cancer patients na mahina yung isip nila, parang hindi sila makapag-isip is because their thyroid function is very, very low.
Ah.
Hypothyroid. So, itatanong mo, hindi nagre-register, ang tagal sumagot. Hindi mo alam kung hindi naintindihan yung tanong
Oo.
or hindi niya narinig yung tanong. Kala mo hindi niya naintindihan or hindi niya narinig. Pero sasagot siya, pero sobrang delayed. Kumbaga sa internet, biglang bumabagal.
Oo.
Usually, so that could be at low thyroid function.
Mm-mm.
Other reasons that nagkaka-brain fog sila is because yung brain nila, yung brain chemistry, hindi maganda.
Mm-mm.
So, these are because if they're exposed to certain chemicals, certain molds,
Mm-mm.
yung molds, yung mga fungal infection. So, mga candida infection. So, a lot of women actually have unknown or hindi unknown, unrecognized candida infection.
Doon.
They don't, tinuturo ni Nilda yung sa ilalim, hindi nyo nakikita. But, so,
May
bawal makita dahil
Mainit po.
oo, Maria Clara ka, di ba? Baka ma-ban kami sa Facebook eh. Pag pinakita namin, no, a lot of women may have vaginal candida infection. Pero most of them do not have that. And yet they have brain fog. It's because of unrecognized candida infection. Sino ba yung madalas nagkakaroon ng candida infection aside from women is those who have undergone a recent antibiotic treatment. Those who have diabetes. So, nagkakaroon sila ng
Ang daming diabetes.
Oh, yun na nga eh.
Oo.
Oh, so,
Pwede naman yung topical ivermectin doon.
kung skin yung infection, di ba?
Oo nga,
Oo.
hindi pala skin
Oh,
yun.
hindi skin yun, nasa dugo na eh, no? So, then you really have to take antifungal treatment to remove candida infection, no? So, I think that's so yun yung madalas reason why nagkakaroon.
Is it the
ng brain fog.
same, Doctor, ang brain fog sa anxiety, yung may bumubulong sa'yo?
Ang iba naman, teka, marami na yun eh. Iba yung bumubulong in medical terms. Pag may bumubulong sa'yo,
Yes, oo.
tawag doon schizophrenia. Ano ang Tagalog word ng schizophrenia?
Ano yan?
Sira ulo.
Nabubuang.
Oo. Pero,
Pero parang nakakatakot yung nabubuang yan.
oo, yun. Kasi may nagbubulong. Yun yung
Pag may
scientific,
narinig
medical
ka rin,
Oo.
eh di magbingi-bingihan ka na. Bingi ako! Ganun ka na lang. Para wala ka
May
pa.
bumubulong ba sa'yo?
Minsan.
Ano binubulong?
Kami galing.
Hindi, ito totoo po. Totoo po itong storyang to. Sa gabi, si Nilda, walang kausap. Biglang may bubulong. Kanin.
Kulang yung kinain mong kanin.
Kulang yung kinain.
Natira.
Ayun, bulong yun.
Yeah.
No?
Tapos
Oo.
pupunta ako doon, wala nang ulam eh, pwede na yan. Sabi ko,
Yan!
okay.
Yan ang tumatawag ng bulong.
Oo,
May
yun.
bumubulong.
Ano
Wow.
tawag dun, Doc?
Matakaw. Nagbi-midnights na kanin. Ewan ko ba bakit ko nakasanayan yun. Masarap kasi yung bigas po namin.
Bigas! Teka, kanin ba kinakain mo o bigas?
Yung bigas niluto, masarap
niluto.
eh.
Okay,
Pagkakaluto.
okay.
Diba? Tama ang in-in. Masarap talaga.
Kaya masarap i-raid yung bahay ni Nilda. Tapos itatago mo yung rice cooker.
Wow! Kanya life talaga.
Life, rice is life
Rice,
talaga.
rice.
Oo.
My
Agree
God.
ako dyan, agree ako dyan.
Oh, kita mo si Doktora din.
Oo.
Di ba sarap
But
kumain
I mean,
ng-
going back to, yun nga, yung
Yung mga brain fog.
Yung mga brain fog. Iba naman yung anxiety.
Basta hindi yung bubulo.
Anxiety parang, hindi siya mapakali kasi
Oo.
lagi siyang miniisip na, worrier, anxiety. So, iba naman yun.
Iba
no?
naman
Iba
yun. Doktor, yung NMN, pwede
Oo.
ba yun sa warrior? Pwede ba yun sa may brain fog?
Brain fog talaga.
Okay.
Oh, so actually NMN, a lot of people are not aware. NMN and yung is a kumbaga parang pinoposisyon ng katawan natin.
Mm-mm.
As we age, nababawasan siya.
Mm-mm.
So kasi NMN is like an energy currency.
Mm.
Kumbaga sa pera, isa yan, dollar.
Ay,
Oo.
kailangan natin
So,
uminom
makakatulong
ito.
talaga, Doc, na to take NMN as a supplement.
As a supplement or
Uh-huh.
as there also you can do also IV NMN, very good for energy,
Mm-mm.
for brain, for
Mm.
resistance, no?
Younger.
To become younger, no? So
Mm.
some people instead of NMN, some people also do NAD.
Uh-huh.
NAD.
Yung NAD naman is yung active form ng NMN.
Mhm.
It's when it's in the cell, it becomes NAD and it's the one that's being used for energy. NAD. Medyo mas mahal ang NAD compared to NMN. Can cancer patients do NAD, NMN? Yes, but they have to always check for, kumbaga they have to monitor for cancer. Kasi sometimes, yung NMN, NAD, ginagamit din ng cancer.
Mm.
So, agawan kasi kayo ng energy.
Mm-mm.
Just like your sugar, your glucose, your fats,
Mm-mm.
your protein, agawan kayo ng cancer.
Mm-mm.
So, you have to find ways how to balance it na hindi naman cancer ang lumalaki at nabubusog.
Mm-mm.
It has to be you, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kaya nga yung ibang pasyente, sabi niya, Dok, kumakain naman ako araw-araw. Ang dami ko nga kinakain eh. Bakit
Nakanin,
pumapayat?
yes,
Nakanin, tama. Bakit pumapayat pa rin ako?
Yes.
Di ba? It's because yung kinakain mo, inaagaw ng cancer.
Oh.
So, lalo kang
Dahil
pumapayat.
yung cancer na yan,
inaagaw sa'yo. So,
Mm-mm.
that's why kaya nga pinag-usapan natin ever since we started this. So, is how to starve the cancer,
Mm-mm.
not the patient.
Mm-mm.
Right? So, I think that's really one of the things that we want to, to inform everyone na it's not just about treating cancer using chemotherapy, radiotherapy. It's also important to check your diet.
Mm-mm.
Important din yung kahit naman mag-take kayo ng lahat ng gamot that is possibly that you can take, but you're not on a good diet.
Yes.
You're wasting the money
Mm-mm.
kasi nga you're feeding the cancer, not your body.
Kasi naman moderation parati.
Kasi nga yung
Oo
moderation
nga,
mo.
huwag ko kayo magmo-moderation. Bawal ho lahat ng carbs, bawal ang sugar, bawal po lahat ng meat.
No
Yan.
rice, no rice.
No rice.
You can have rice, but you can have yung red rice, black rice, brown rice, but not too much.
Mm-mm.
Not too
Hindi
much.
ko yung makakain.
Yung iba nga sasabihin, Doc, hindi na ako nagkakanin eh.
Oo.
Pero nagtitinapay.
Bawal din ng
Oo.
tinapay.
Dapat talaga yung whole grain, na totoong whole grain yung matigas.
Mm-mm.
Or sourdough, yung matigas talaga.
Mm-mm.
Hindi yung fake na
Sourdough
sourdough
na-
or fake na whole wheat, whole grain, and tamis-tamis pala, puro
Mm-mm.
sugar. Tapos nilagyan pa ng milk, no?
Kaya nga.
So maraming fake din. So
Yes.
I think that's one of the things that we have to remind everyone kasi marami pa ring ayaw makinig minsan, no?
Hindi, marami talaga to. Kasi mahirap talaga mag-diet.
Oo, yun nga, I
Yung nga
think,
walang cancer.
oo.
Nahirapan katulad ko.
Oo, talaga? Oo. Ano dapat para pumayat ka?
Don't look at your rice cooker. Yan. Ganon, walang ganon dapat.
Wala nang bumubulong sa gabi.
Wala nang bubulong sa gabi. Tulog ka agad.
Tulog ka agad, yun.
Yeah.
So I think one of the things, pero alam mo, importante rin yung tulog, no?
Yes.
Yes.
One of the
oo.
most underrated or how do you say, recognized
Mhm.
causes of why you become sicker,
Mhm.
especially patients with cancer,
Mm-mm.
is because of their sleep.
Paano
They don't
naman
sleep.
kakaisip nila ng cancer?
Minsan hindi lang cancer kasi iniisip nila. Iniisip nila yung pangbayad sa kuryente
Mm-mm.
or nasaan na yung anak ko.
Yeah.
Mm-mm nga eh.
Okay.
Paano na sila pag wala ako?
Oo.
Ganon.
O kaya sabihin nila, paano ba yan kung may cancer ako,
Mm-mm.
paano na yung mga may iwanan ko?
Pero actually, nakakaiyak talaga eh.
Mm.
Yung mga ganun bagay.
Mm.
Kaya ang gawin nyo na lang po, Magdasal po.
Tama. Oo. So I think one of ways is you pray, you
Yes, pray
meditate,
a
because
lot
that
po.
that helps
Ada.
with sleep. With
Yeah,
sleep
yeah.
kasi, no? So, ang hirap kaya hindi makatulog.
Well,
Di ba, no? Nakapikit ka na, pero yung utak mo umiikot pa, no?
Mm.
So, but there are some supplements that can help you sleep, no? One of them, of course, is melatonin. Everybody knows about melatonin. But there are other supplements that can help you sleep. Meron dyan valerian root, meron dyan theanine,
Theanine.
no? So, in fact, meron tayong melatonin with with
Theanine.
theanine,
Mm.
and then with magnesium,
Magnesium.
because that help, calm the mind to help you sleep.
Mhm.
So again, I think that's one of the things also na we have to always ask our patients or our family members who have cancer, how is your sleep?
Mm.
How was your sleep
Get
for
that
the last
particular-
week, last 2
yeah.
weeks? Ako, hahaba na naman kwento mo.
Yes po.
Oo. Nanaginip ka ba? Ikaw, Milda.
Nananaginip ako.
Ano pinapanaginip mo? Kanin?
Hindi, Dok.
Ano?
Iba-iba
Fried
eh.
rice.
Actually, alam mo, ang pinaka-convince sa panaginip, no? Ang sarap-sarap managinip, pero pagkagising mo, parang iba na.
Oo.
Nakalimutan mo na.
Oo, tama.
Kala ko
tama.
pagod na pagod ka.
Hindi. Sabi nga, gusto ko pa nga matulog, dudugtungan ko pa eh.
Oo, oo.
Lalo na pag may love.
Ayaw naman lang Ayaw naman yung love Anyway. Okay, so we just have to answer some of the questions. 25 minutes na, no? Sabi ni Ma'am Rodelia, hi Doc, and to the beautiful ladies.
Yes!
Bayad,
Hello!
bayad yata eh.
Yes,
Okay.
po, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
So Miss Susan Castro, the best medicine your laughter daw.
Of
Oh,
course.
tawa ka pa.
Pero actually, nakakatuwa po talaga.
Oo.
Dapat tumawa tayo parati.
Oh, tama.
Oo.
Totoo yun eh. Kasi the laughter, not just, yung hormone ng laughter is a combination of, tawag natin, in medicine, no? Or in medical terms is, you have serotonin, you have a bit of dopamine. If you have somebody, you have, that's
Yes.
oxytocin,
Yes.
di ba?
Uh-huh.
So these are nice, beautiful hormones that are anti-inflammatory, no? So when was the last time you hugged someone?
Yeah.
Or have you hugged your dog?
Yes. Oh.
Or your cat? Does the cat purr?
Mm.
Cat purrs, yung frequency, actually it helps with your hormones din. A lot of people are not aware of this. Kaya nga meron mga centers that are yung pet therapy.
Pumupunta sila sa mga pets.
Or the pets would go
Pero
to
wag yung buffalo na katulad ng sinabi mo.
Buffalo na.
Oo, dalaw dun sa milk yun yung buffalo na gusto niya mag-alaga tayo ng mga kalabaw. Ganon.
Para magkaroon ng cheese.
Para daw sure na safe.
If you do not understand what we were talking about,
yeah.
watch the previous
Oh,
episode.
yes. Yun yung mga delikado ng doktor eh. Pag daw ka pa rin sa fur, mga fur babies, tapos mapupunta sa buffalo. Yun.
Mahirap talaga nun
Oo nga, doktor eh. Yun.
So anyway, so then Alisa asking, makakatulong ba ang IBM to lessen the side effects of chemo and radiation? The short answer is not really. The long answer is ivermectin can help improve your gut microbiome.
Yes.
Yung good bacteria in your gut, IBM has been shown to improve your gut's bifidobacterium. Which is very important kasi bifidobacterium has been shown to help you even in patients who are doing immunotherapy. They must have bifidobacterium to become more effective. In fact, one of the research now is in combination with immunotherapy, you give them probiotics. Will it help the immunotherapy become more effective? So IBM, in short answer, yun nga, it does not really. But long answer, it can indirectly help lessen side effects if it improves your gut microbiome or yung gut bacteria. So that's your answer, Ma'am Alisa. In fact, we don't want to mention the full name, ivermectin, kasi pag IBM whole name, baka
Yes.
ma-block na naman tayo sa
Yes.
Facebook,
Yes.
papagalitan na naman tayo ng FB.
Yes.
Anyway, so yun na. So we're very close to 30 minutes.
Ay,
Any other question?
May
Bilis
question
natin,
pa
ano?
ako. May
Oo.
question pa ako. Dok, nakita ko yung pinost mo kagabi.
Alin.
Yung merong nagbubulong sa kanya.
Ah,
Yung
tama,
sinasabi ko,
tama,
tapos
oo.
na-diagnose siya.
Tama. You know,
Istoryahin
it's
natin.
very,
Mm.
kaya ko pinost yun kasi it's very interesting because
Yeah.
there was this lady na may nagbubulong, we want to help you.
Yes.
Nagpanic siya.
Oo.
Bakit may magsasabing, we
wait
want
lang.
to help you?
Hindi
di ba?
yung naluloka.
Oy, kala nga niya naluloka siya, di ba?
Kaya nga po. Oo.
Kala nga niya naluloka tapos nag-i-insist yung mga nagsasound sa kanya, magpa-CT scan ka ng brain.
Yes.
Magpa-CT scan ka ng brain. Ayaw ng doktor. Sira ulo yan. Sinabi nila. Pero bumigay yung doktor sa kakulitan ng pasyente. And when they did a CT scan, na-found nila may malaking tumor pala siya.
Correct. Yun po
And
yun.
then, so, they had to operate. Imagine, when they operate, tinanggal yung bukol. After surgery, pagkagising nung pasyente, may narinig silang sinabi nung, thank you. This will be our final message.
Yes.
Sila pa nag-thank you sa kanya.
Correct.
So, nasisiraan ba ng bait yun?
Hindi.
Ano sa tingin mo, ano yun?
Miracle from God.
Correct.
Mhm.
Could be
Yeah.
angels or your guardian
Yes.
angels, no?
Oo.
So, hindi lahat ng may nagbubulong, sira ulo.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the things that
Yeah,
people have to remember or recognize. Di ba nga, yung unang panahon, even in the Bible, pwede mo ba sabihin nasisiraan ng ulo yung mga nakakita kay, di ba, si Mama Mary, nung
Oo
nakita
nga
niya
po.
di ba, si Gabriel, Angel Gabriel.
Yeah.
Pwede mo sabihin,
Hindi.
schizophrenic,
Talagang,
di ba?
oo.
Or si Moses when he was talking to God.
Yeah.
Pwede mo sabihin,
No,
yun, di ba?
oo.
Ayan, so, not everyone who hears voices
Mm.
is because they are sira ulo. Pero si Nilda, pag narinig niya yung kanin,
Yes, iba po yun.
iba talaga yun.
Tatakawan po yun. Oo.
Yung, yung guardian angel ng bitukan
Yes,
ni
yes.
Nilda yun.
Kasi masarap talaga uray. Kahit walang ulam. Ganun po. Kakainin ko. Pero totoo po yun. Lalo na kunyari, wala na akong ulam. Tapos ang dami ko pang rice. Sayang to.
Oo.
Tapos pagkakita ko, naubos ko. Ganun po. Talaga po nangyayari po yun. Pero yung kwan natin po, yung usapang ganito po natin. So, huwag ko kayong malungkot kung meron ho tayong sakit or, syempre, if we have this kind of challenges like yung cancer, we cannot naman po put our shoes in your shoes na, huwag mong isipin yan. Pero, think about God and you pray po. There's nothing impossible po kay God.
I mean, I've seen. No, so there's a book. It's called Radical Remissions. So this book was ginawa nung author is she interviewed all the cancer patients who did not undergo any treatment and they had stage 4 cancer. And kaya Radical Remissions kasi when they had a check again after a few months, a few years, nawala yung cancer.
Yun nga, Doc, di ba?
So wala silang ginawang
Oo.
treatment and yet suddenly wala na silang cancer. So they were what's this? The author was asking them ano yung kakaiba? Ano yung what's common?
Yeah.
It was actually being spiritual.
Yes.
Yung spiritual.
Actually, alam niyo, yung number 1 po natin na miracle,
Oo.
we have doctors like Dr. Homer,
Yeah.
di ba? And
That's
Dr.
true.
Joy.
Dr. Hope.
Kaya I would say po talaga it's really a blessing na we have this chance to explain to you, and Dr. Homer is always doing this for you. So listen to him, 'di ba? Para kung ano yung bawal, talagang bawal, 'di ba?
I mean,
Oo.
pero kasi
Thank you,
minsan,
Doc.
hindi ka naman pumapayat eh.
Hindi naman yung mga cancer patient whom you are taking care
okay,
of, 'di ba?
okay.
Ang dami na
Pero,
mga
peace naman siya, Doc.
tama. Yun.
Ang galing din bumalat eh.
Oo. Guess ka namin parati. Okay. Yun.
Anyway.
Yun yung pasalamat natin. Dr. Homer is always
Yeah.
here for us to listen to you. And of course sa atin, parating tinutulungan niya.
Help
tayo.
us.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Teka, last question.
Yes.
Miss Gigi asking, so can IVM help resolve small intestinal bowel overgrowth. Napaka-technical ng term. So, explain natin muna ano ang, so last topic na to, 35 minutes na tayo. Ano ba yung SIBO? SIBO is normally yung small intestine natin, dapat walang bacteria. Bacteria should be in the large intestine. Pero meron tayong konti. Pag sinabi kasing SIBO, mas maraming bacteria than what it should have. Kasi yung acid ng stomach, pag pumunta sa small intestine, mamamatay yung mga bacteria. But in patients na poor ang acid production, nagkakaroon sila ng small bowel intestinal overgrowth. And ano bang unang symptoms ng SIBO or small intestinal bowel overgrowth? Pagkakain nila, bigla silang nagbo-bloat. Biglang lalaki yung tiyan.
Hoy,
Oh, puro
hindi pa ako
hangin.
makain ito.
Puro,
Ano
puro
ba yan?
hangin.
Oh.
So that's one sign and very, kumbaga, sure yun. Pag if you eat after 30 minutes, wala pang 30 minutes, malaki na tiyan mo, may small intestinal bowel overgrowth ka. So can IBM help that? No. Because it's more antiviral than antibacterial. But there are medicines that are antibacterial that can actually resolve your
Yeah,
small intestinal bowel overgrowth. Okay? So I think that's the answer.
Yung SIBO.
SIBO.
Kasi may SEBO.
SIBO.
Oo, di ba? Yung mga SEBO natin dito sa small intestine,
Okay.
may SEBO. Kaya bawal ang ivermectin.
Kaya sabi ko, kakatawa talaga dito eh.
Hoy, laughter is the best, di ba?
Okay. Anyway, it's 35 minutes, so we're 5 minutes past the deadline. Okay,
Yes,
so we got to say thank you again,
Thank
everyone.
you!
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you. So,
bye-bye!
we'll see you again next week. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thanks.